Bitcoin Ether scale fresh peak on growing investor demand. Bitcoin is minting over 1,500 millionaire wallets a day. Bitcoin passes Swiss franc for 13th largest currency in the world. Cathie Wood's ARK Invest company continues to sell Coinbase shares. Bitcoin mining daily revenue reaches new peak of over $78 million. Hello and welcome to $3 I am Vishakha Thakur. Virtual digital assets or VDA prices traded mixed in the past 24 hours as the buying frenzy reached unprecedented levels. Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency by market cap, traded near the crucial $72,000 mark. Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us how global crypto market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 0.1% at 92,130 points. Bitcoin hit a record high of $72,771.5 after surging more than 70% year to date in a rise that helped its total market capitalization surpass that of silver. Talking of Bitcoin buying frenzy, MicroStrategy, the largest corporate buyer of Bitcoin, has raised $800 million through a private offering of unsecured convertible notes at an interest rate of 0.625% per annum. The firm also used excess cash to acquire 12,000 BTC, bringing its total holdings to over 200,000 BTC. Bitcoin's market capitalization now stands at $1.4 trillion. Bitcoin's price rise is partly attributable to demand from the newly launched spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds in the United States, including offerings from some of the world's largest asset managers such as BlackRock and Fidelity. Well, the stupendous price surge in Bitcoin has caught the eye of several marquee investors, including renowned hedge fund manager Bill Ackman, who has revealed intentions to buy the cryptocurrency during a discussion with Michael Saylor, the co-founder and executive chairman of MicroStrategy. In other news, the London Stock Exchange has announced its acceptance of exchange-traded notes for BTC and ETH/ETN in Q2 of 2024. Basically, the underlying crypto asset will be stored in a cold wallet and will be available only to professional investors. The custodians for listing will be subject to AML regulation in the UK, European Union, Jersey, Switzerland, or the United States. Meanwhile, perpetual trades are witnessing increased buying activity. Deribit-listed Bitcoin call options with a strike price of $200,000 have seen a notional open interest of over $20 million. The global cryptocurrency market cap was at $2.7 trillion mark, decreasing 0.2% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volume increased by 8% to $150 billion. Interestingly, the upcoming BTC halving event, which will cut in half the Coinbase reward miners receive for finding a block, is also expected to help the cryptocurrency's price surge as supply entering the market will be cut in half while institutional demand keeps on rising. Elsewhere, Ethereum surpassed the $4,000 mark ahead of the much-awaited DogeCoin upgrade. Ether was joined by Ripple's XRP, Solana's SOL, Cardano's ADA to report gains on strong bullish momentum. Meanwhile, Ethereum's Layer 2 scaling solutions have surpassed the $37 billion total value locked, marking a significant milestone in the blockchain ecosystem. This achievement is attributed to the early adoption and security measures of platforms like Arbitrum, Optimism, and Base. Moving on, booming ETF inflow perpetual trade points to further price gains on card for Bitcoin. That's giving enough confidence for the leading broker Bernstein to reiterate its Bitcoin price target of $150,000 by mid-2025. US stock futures rose as investors focused on key inflation reports that could help set the path of the Federal Reserve's monetary policy. S&P 500 futures gained 0.2% and Nasdaq 100 futures gained about 0.4%. Futures linked to the Dow Jones Industrial Average traded down by 0.1%. Bitcoin was trading at $71,800, up 0.2%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 0.8%, trading at $4,002. BNB was up by 0.2% to trade at $528. Solana SOL was up 1.7% and was trading at $151. Cardano's ADA token was up by 0.1% to trade at $0.74. Avalanche AVAX was higher at $47.5, higher 1.5%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.69, up by 10%. However, Polygon Matic was trading down by 3.5% to trade at $1.2. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 4% at $0.17. Shiba Inu was trading down by 4.5%. Polkadot was down by 2.5% to trade at $10.7.
Thanks, Ruchi. And now back to the headlines. Bitcoin's rally to all-time highs is assisting 1,500 wallets to surpass the $1 million mark daily, according to Kaiko Research. This month, Bitcoin gained another 16%, extending a run that began in mid-Jan when regulators approved spot Bitcoin ETFs for US trading. Well, the trend peaked at 1,691 wallets on March 1, although multiple wallets may belong to a single person or entity. Long-term Bitcoin holders are selling as the token rises, as more investors are storing crypto outside digital wallets. The report suggests that whales may be taking a more cautious approach, waiting to see if gains have legs before investing. Bitcoin is sustaining a record-breaking run amid unprecedented amount of capital flowing into crypto products, with a record $2.7 billion flowed into crypto assets last week, primarily going to Bitcoin. BTC has surpassed the Swiss franc to become the 13th largest currency globally, trading at $72,323 per Bitcoin. Well, this surge is due to the circulating market supply, which is limited to compared to fiat currencies like the Swiss franc, Russian ruble, and Saudi rial. The Bitcoin halving, which occurs once every 4 years, automatically burns half of the entire BTC supply, keeping it valuable. The price of Bitcoin has surged due to the approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs in the US, allowing banks to invest in these exchange-traded funds on behalf of their clients. Well, these ETFs are now some of the highest traded stocks on the US stock market. As the next halving nears, BTC is expected to rise even more, with some bullish investors seeing $100,000 in reach. This development is expected to further boost the price of Ethereum, altcoins, meme coins, as the hype around cryptocurrency continues to rise. ARK Invest, led by Cathie Wood, sold 270,365 Coinbase shares from 3 exchange-traded funds, totaling $68.7 million. The sale follows a $150 million sale last week to rebalance fund weights amid an increase in coin prices. ARK aims to limit the presence of more than 10% of a single asset in an ETF portfolio. Coinbase shares traded around $254.17 on Monday, increasing by over 10% in the past week. Coin has seen a 79% increase in the last month and a 350% surge in the last year, reaching its highest level since December 2021. However, the stock is currently 26% lower than its all-time high of $342.98 in November 2021. Coinbase's value is estimated at $47.3 billion. Coinbase Institutional warned that the stock might face macro headlines and negative technical factors in the coming weeks in the crypto market. Bitcoin miners have seen a significant increase in earnings, with the flagship coin currently in the early stages of a macro bull cycle. The recent BTC spike above $72,000 has boosted spot prices, with miners earning $78.6 million on March 7, surpassing the prior peak of $67.1 million set in April 2021. As Bitcoin miners are counting less than 40 days before the fourth halving, higher prices are needed to incentivize them to continue securing the network. Mining difficulty is expected to increase in the coming months, forcing miners to update their hardware components. The demand was supply shock from the approval of dozen spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds in the United States has largely fueled the bullish outlook. While Bitcoin price is expected to continue rallying in the coming quarters, with most analysts forecasting a six-figure increase by the end of this year. And now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on buzzing coins of the day.
Let us have a look at the buzzing crypto watch list for today and the week ahead. First on the list, we have Ethereum. Ethereum network fees have risen to levels not seen since May 2022 due to the speculative frenzy surrounding meme tokens. Bitcoin's all-time high have prompted investors to take riskier bets, particularly in meme tokens, which has seen an average increase of threefold over the past month. This has led to Ethereum experiencing its highest fees in nearly 2 years, exceeding $190 million in fees in the past week, resulting in an annualized rate of over $10 billion for the first time since early 2022. The fee burn mechanism has reduced ETH supply by approximately 33,000 ETH, equivalent to around $125 million. ETH was trading at $432, up 0.36% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Chainlink. Chainlink, the native cryptocurrency of the Chainlink Oracle network, has seen a price surge in the past 24 hours due to increased accumulation by large investors, also known as whales. Link's market capitalization and 24-hour trading volume have also increased by 6.79% and 217.17%, indicating growing interest and activity in the token. Additionally, 8 new wallets have collectively withdrawn approximately 831,000 Link tokens valued at around $16.7 million from Binance in just 2 days, potentially leading to further price appreciation. Link was trading at $20, down near 4% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Pixel. Pixel has experienced a 48% surge in the last 24 hours, driven by the excitement surrounding Bitcoin's all-time high of $72,000. This shift in focus has shifted the market towards altcoins for investors seeking value and potential high returns. Pixel, which has only been listed on Binance for 20 days, had seen its trading volume skyrocket to $468 million in the last 24 hours, providing a repeat of investors. Pixel was trading at $0.8, down 16% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have XRP. XRP, a Ripple-backed token, has seen significant on-chain whale activity in the past 24 hours, attracting interest from traders and investors. The token's recent surpassing of the $0.6 mark has sparked positive sentiments for future pumps. However, the token traded in red today, causing speculations over contrasting price action compared to whale activity. Whale Alert revealed $48.9 million worth of XRP, which was shuffled in 4 transactions in the past 24 hours, reflecting optimism across the broader crypto market. XRP was trading at $0.6, up near 12% in the last 24 hours. Last on the list, we have Pith Network. Laser Digital, a subsidiary of Nomura, has joined Pith Network as a data provider, marking a significant move for DeFi. Pith Network, established in 2021, draws data from over 90 trusted institutions across traditional and crypto markets. Laser Digital's addition will inject valuable expertise from the financial sector into the DeFi community. The partnership will also initially contribute crypto pricing data, which Pith already offers to over 400 price feeds, including digital assets and traditional assets like stocks, foreign exchange, and commodities. Laser Digital's commitment to an open and dynamic culture aligns with Pith Network's vision of providing market participants with the necessary tools and resources. Pith Network was trading at $0.8, up near 2% in the last 24 hours.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.